Hello friends, this is Max Programming, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about Python. So actually Python is a high level programming language which we can use for data science, web programming, scripting, scientific computing, that I said data science, and AI also. And it's also very popular language, and it's very easy. It's used by Google, NASA, YouTube, and Disney, and many more companies. So it's a very popular programming language that we can use. And if you are starting programming, then you if you don't know anything about programming, then I suggest you to use Python first. And so we're going to start off. You just have to type in Google that Python. You have to download Python, the compiler of Python. So when you will download it is available in 32-bit also and 64-bit also, but sometimes you can't install it. Means in some PCs, in my PC there was a problem, and then I installed the .NET Framework 4.6. And if in your PC also it's not installing, then I suggest you have to install the .NET Framework 4.6 or higher, or else you have to upgrade your PC. And so I've downloaded Python. So two things come with it. The Python 3.7 means we have IDEs for it, and we have Python 3.7. That's not good, not that much good. And so we can use Python 3. I don't want to use that, but we have another IDE of Python. That's the latest version of Python 3.7, and we can make our first program here only. So it's a very easy programming language that you can use here. Here we can type in. So if you type in print, and then in quotation marks I have to write the what I want to print. So let's write the famous hello world program, and we'll press enter. Hello world. We'll use one text editor also. If we in the next tutorial, we are going to use one text editor also for that, or for one IDE we are going to use, I'm sorry. And if you don't find these things, means you will find, but you can go on to the start button, and then you can find that Python 3. You will search Python, you will get that print hello world. The simple command to print, that is print. I can type in here Max Programming, and so it will print out that. I put the capital A, that's the reason. And simply we have made our first program, and then we can make more programs. In the next tutorial we will meet again and make more programs. So till then, stay tuned. Hit the like if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to not to miss any videos. And finally, thanks for watching.